The driver lost control and flipped into the median.
He touched some black ice back there and he lost control.
I heard the Gulf was snowing pretty heavy, but they got 4 ploughs on the smasher.
Ploughs pushed through the unrelenting storm.
Going hard. Ploughs are working though.
And blowers carve into snowbanks to keep the road from vanishing.
But if we don't get rid of it, nobody gets through.
Operator Ron Hagen is constantly watching for anyone in his path.
Hey, you gotta really watch that people aren't around walking in any of the path where you're gonna be discharging the snow.
But tonight,
Look at this guy. Did you see that?
no one was expecting a tailgater on a snowboard.
Just went by. I don't believe it. Hey, you guys on the hill there, there's a pickup truck heading south down the hill with a guy behind the pickup. So watch out for him.
Oh man, no kidding. Lord.
6 miles up the road,
What a moron.
Robert's pulling a double shift when he spots a big job for Jamie Davis.
I'm coming down Mine Creek Hill, and I see there's a tractor on its side. It was right there.
The tractor and trailer is flipped right over.
Just hope nobody's hurt.
The driver lost control and flipped into the median.
He touched some black ice back there and he lost control. But no injuries, nobody's hurt, nobody's going to the hospital. That's the way I like it.
The truck is carrying 60,000 pounds of peat moss.
Seeing it's peat moss,
It's gonna be heavy.
it's gonna be heavy. And look at the weather.
Robert takes photos, then calls Jamie.
Hello?
Jamie.
Hey, buddy.
Doing a recovery at nighttime is dangerous for your workers. You can't see. This wreck's completely off the road. It's not affecting traffic, so we can wait till tomorrow morning.
How are the roads this morning? Oh, the coke is beautiful, man.
At 8 a.m., Jamie's lead driver, Scott Bird, rolls up to tackle the peat moss wreck.
We've got the green light from Highways to do what you gotta do, get it done, get it out. I'm responsible for making sure that this recovery goes correctly.
Bumper isn't even bent on this thing. Just a whole lot of ugly for first thing in the morning.
Swamper Gord Lundeen has been guarding the wreck since last night.
How many is there in there?
There's 2 per skid, so it'd be 24 skids, right?
Let's use front to back, eh?
So there's 48 of these bastards.
48.
We're dealing with 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot plastic bales of peat moss.
He's grossed out with weight-wise. So if we try and flip it over with this cargo in it, the bottom of the trailer is gonna come with us and the rest of it's just gonna stay where it is.
They're big, awkward bales of dirt.
So it has to be unloaded for this job.
But it'll take more than muscle to offload the supersized freight.
Hello? Hello? I need a picker and a 53-foot trailer.
My cargo crew, they're pretty tough guys, but 1,200-pound bales, that was a little more than they could deal with.
Okay, so what our plan of attack is, we'll get them out and then we'll move them over.
The picker's here.
Scott's called in a special crane, a knuckle boom picker.
They all gotta come out and then lift it onto that trailer.
The knuckle boom was the choice for this job. It has several different joints in it. They can pull sideways with it, so he could pull the cargo out of the rack.
I want to know, how far is that boom going to go out that way?
In charge of traffic, Robert spots a hazard.
I'm just concerned about the boom swinging over top of my taper, right?
There is a big safety issue with where this truck is sitting.
The picker truck's swinging over his load and there's a failure and it swings into oncoming traffic. I can't have that.
Watch your back, Scotty.
Every second that you have the highway blocked, it's bad.
Hey, all good, buddy?
Yeah, haul it out.
Heads up.
You gotta do the job, and you get it done as quick as you can get it done.